Min Son has completed a move from appearances. Former Tottenham striker Jermaine Defoe says he'll be remembered as a lifetime grit.
Wake up, as a fantastic human being, an amazing captain, a fantastic footballer, over 170 goals for Tottenham, the European trophy finished at the football club. What a servant to the football club. He's definitely been missed. Players like that come on top, and I think what he did, the legacy that he left behind at Tottenham, is really special. Yeah.
In tonight's Conference League qualifiers, Hibs are in Serbia to take on Partizan Belgrade first leg.
I was able to check your text as I pulled into the garage. Look at this move. Holy. Oh no. Oh! Don't hit us. What the? Oh my God! Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? I better put this in there. बच गए हैं There lies a long shadow. The tower.
That like the things you think when you are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course, my example always for this is 35-year-old white woman.
Sunny morning here in Syria. We've got the odd thunderstorm around later. It's nice out there.
Ух ты, блядь. Стоять нахуй.
Ой, сука, все. Питер, блядь. Блядь. Как это он так? Любимая, нам не позволит это.
Ух ты.
Предназначенная для передачи.
Thanks for dropping by. Appreciate it.
Оу! Что это? Ах ты, блядь, сука! Шо это? Весь сам.
Registration proof of insurance.
When Ram ran, it was like watching a hunting hound speed after a deer or wildly muscles flowing strength. When Issa ran, it was like watching a deer all easy grace and surprising speed.
Đó là lên bản chụp là em thì chưa đuổi được. Ôi! Kinh không? Gọi giao thông đi em. Mất rồi.
Oh my god. Mutate into something more serious. Therefore, we have to stay on top of it. So it's a really odd thinking for which there is really no good evidence. And the CDC is telling us that a little bit here. A little bit.
Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa, no, 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 no.
MC Hammer station on the front of the 20. My mom is like a super. She's not ashamed at all. I'm super embarrassed at the grocery store.
A spatter of lead. A few seconds later, he heard the rupture of a grenade. Then another. Rodriguez hurled himself. Shut that thing off. So he stayed.
Welcome to Crash Data. Today, we bring you a collection of dashcam footage that serves as a powerful reminder of the critical importance of road safety. These scenes are more than just accidents. They are real-life lessons about how quickly situations can change and the importance of being prepared and aware. Every moment on the road counts.
Video protected.
Whether you're driving in clear weather or through challenging conditions, staying alert and prepared can make all the difference. Firstly, always keep your focus on the road. Distractions can lead to devastating outcomes. Whether it's using a phone, adjusting the radio, or any other distraction, remember that your primary responsibility is to the road and the safety of everyone around you. Speeding is another major factor in road accidents. It reduces your reaction time and increases the severity of collisions. Always adhere to speed limits and adjust your speed according to road conditions. Maintaining a safe following distance is essential. It gives you enough time to react if the vehicle in front suddenly stops or changes direction.